So, good afternoon everyone. Nag-prepare kami ng at least 4 scenarios for Manmaru, 4 different scenario. So, first scenario, we'll be conducting a customer booking solo for a particular date. So, here how it works. Now, for example, magse-search tayo kay Google or sa social media. Let's say yung current client ninyo nag-search na lang with Facebook kay Manmaru. So the usual customer interface or yung nakikita ng client natin, this is my Facebook account. Pag sinearch ko si Manmaru, pwedeng mailagay natin dito yung link ni Prime Booking eh. So this is your Prime booking system as well. So kapag kinlik nila yung link, automatically dito po siya mare-redirect. So ito yung mismong booking platform ni Prime Booking. Now, ito yung magiging customer experience niya. Napakasimple lang. Magsa-sign in lang siya using the email address he or she wants to register. Continue to email. And then wait lang for email verification. 305. Yan. So, i-enter niya lang yung OTP and then verify. So, once verified, lahat nung nasa booking platform ni Prime Booking, makikita niya. Makikita na nung customer. Now, ako yung customer sa scenario na yon is somehow craving for a Japanese restaurant and then nakita ko nga si Manmaru. Now, the usual customer na tinitignan is the details ng restaurant. The photos, basic information, the food offerings, then what's included in the facilities. And also, in-indicate din natin dyan yung location natin, which is accessible siya through Google Map if just in case kailangan nilang makita yung location. Now, as a customer, tinitignan din naman natin yung mga payment instructions na provided based on the business rules ng restaurant. Now, for example, ako yung customer, ito yung pinaka-importanting information that I want to. So, 50% deposit on the total amount will be doable on my end. Now, since wala na akong question, I'll continue to book na with Manmaru. So, ito po siya. As you can see, andito yung list of rooms available sa Tomas Morato branch ni Manmaru. Indicated yung room name and max room capacity. So, for example, magpapabook ako by Valentine's Day ng maximum of 12 packs. Valentine's Day, Feb 14, around lunchtime, 12 p.m. And then maximum capacity that I get is 12. So 10 lang kami. So pwede pa rin naman nating i-declare as 10 guests lang. So let's say anniversary, Feb 14, and then book now. So ito yung magiging next interface niya. Makikita po natin yung booking summary, confirmation ng venue, and then the 50% deposit required based on the business ruling. Now, the customer, i-input niya lang dito yung customer details niya, and if ever meron siyang additional remarks or options, optional lang naman siya, pwedeng one slot parking or kung ano man po yung remarks na gusto niya, pwedeng mailagay ng customer dito. So once confirm, ititik niya lang yan and then send and confirm the booking. Now, ito yung marireceive ng client sa email niya. Ito rin po yun. So check natin sa email natin if na-receive. Ayan. So confirm with booking ID details, event details, and the payment confirmation. That's the customer side. And booking as a solo on a particular date lang. Yung magiging next interface niya supposedly yung for the admin side kung paano niya po makita kung paano pumasok dun sa system, kung paano niya navigate, kung confirm, pending, or whatsoever the status will be. I'll show it sa next scenario. For the next scenario, gawa po muna tayo ng multiple booking using same room, different time, para makita po natin yung capability ng system kapag nabablock na yung date and time. For example, same room yung preferred, tapos different time kung ano yung magiging interface niya. Wala pa po. Wala pa po. So, later on, ipapakita po natin kung paano po yung magiging approach nung sa admin side. So, this scenario, magbubook tayo ng multiple booking date and time. Ani, can you mag-book ka using room 1 ng PM?
Time, it's 1.
5 PM, ako sa 12. Ang date, Feb 1. Let's say Feb 1.
Hindi natin what will happen if may sabihin na nag-book ng same room, same date.
So ako 12 PM, ikaw by 5 PM. So room 1 max capacity is 6. So let's say 4 lang tayo. Pero gusto natin ng naka-room. Let's say birthday. Okay, sige, ako na lang. So ito pa rin po yung information na makikita natin. Pero for example, ako po si Annie. Pero same email pa rin po yung gagamitin ko para mapakita ko lang kung paano po yung confirmation through email. So ito yung kanina ko. Ito yung kay Annie na. Kay Annie Aviles. Ito siya. And then next, same room, pero different time, same date. February 1, that's Sunday. Let's say 5 PM. And then max packs natin siya. So kung makikita niyo, ma'am and sir, hindi na available yung time na 12 PM. Wala na siya sa choices kasi meron nang naunang nagpa-book. So, ayan na lang yung magiging available choices niya. Balik kanina, kinonfirm lang din namin, i-edit din po namin to kasi as you can see, ma'am and sir, every 30 minutes yung available time niya, pero i-edit namin siya into every 3 hours and 30 minutes.
11, which is the time that you accept client.
Yes, para mabablock yung room every time na end time, every time na may nauna since we are on a first come first serve basis. So let's say ito po, name is Karen Pastor. Feb 1, 5 to 8 PM. And then the minimum amount deposit, 50%. So, nag-reflect na rin siya sa email ko under the name Karen Marie Pastor. And then, show pa tayo ng isa pa. Same room, same date. Tapos, different time. So, as you can see dito, ang magiging max na natin is, I think, this one. Yan. So, under different name yan, 3 tao yung nag-book
Same day. Same day.
Yes, same day. Under Joseph Molde. Now, ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo dun sa admin side kung ano na yung magiging itsura niya. So, ito na siya kay admin side. So, admin side is a partner sign-in. Then, just put lang yung credentials po ninyo and then makapasok na tayo dyan. Yan. So, as you can see mga ma'am and sir, andito po yung mga information ng lahat ng nag-book sa atin. Ito po yung scenario natin na same dates but different time. Tapos same room. Tapos ito naman yung super advanced booking, February 9 pa. Kung kailangan ninyong makipag-communicate with clients, ito yung view niya just to get the name, email address registered, and the contact information. So pwede po tayo makipag-communicate through calls or emails for the payment instructions if ever. Di ba po? If ever needed din po to generate an e-receipt, just click here. And then downloadable po siya automatically. Don't worry, editable pa rin naman po ito. Pwedeng mabago kung ano man po yung nasa business rules ninyo. Sa ngayon, ma'am, hindi pa po siya ready for that kasi nagbe-base po tayo based on different business rules ng mga bawat magjo-join dun sa booking platform. So for now, yung payment options is diskarte po ng business or
For now.
Yes.
For the phase 1.
Yes, sir.
Eventually, we're gonna add it as part of the feature po.
Yes, sir.
For bank transfer, lead time na lang 3 days.
For ano po?
Bank transfers.
It takes 3 days for it to be processed. Or for
Sa back.
kasi validation, everything. So, business sabihin na validate. Okay. So, you usually accept via bank transfer, GCash? Do you also
We don't have
Oh, it's
data.
really bank transfer lang po. Or cash.
Or yun na,
Cash kapag-
cash na binayaran dito sa
Yeah,
sa
okay.
store.
Okay.
Or yung card payment.
Yes.
Regular card.
Okay.
And then meron pa po tayong last scenario, ma'am and sir. Yes, ma'am. Mhm. Yes, ma'am.
Hindi na mag-appear yung
Hindi na mag-appear yung time. Mhm. Dito na siya sa admin, ma'am. Ito na siya lalabas kung, kasi di ba ma'am, makikita naman yun live nung admin eh. Uy, may pumasok na booking. So nakapending yan, dapat yung magiging admin na ito is talagang strictly nakamonitor kapag may pumasok, he needs to call kaagad yung client to confirm and give instruction for the payment, and then pwede niyang i-edit kaagad yung status. Bayad na to. Edi update natin to confirm yung status.
Parang lumalabas siya na parang pencil book.
Pencil book.
Yes.
Since pending pa yung status ng payment.
Yes, sir.
That's correct.
Tapos, meron din naman tayong ni-ready if ever na yung mga guest natin is walk-in sa store. So, for example, ako po yung nasa counter, ako yung admin, magpapareserve po halimbawa si Ma'am Karen with me, I'll just click yung add booking and then select the room. Ilan po kayo, Ma'am Kai? 12. Okay, room 9 available po. How about the date and time?
Mga 15.
Feb 15 after the Valentine's Day, pwede po. Available, ma'am. What time, ma'am?
Lunch 12.
12 p.m. Okay, so number of guests, 12. Status, pwede ko pong i-confirm kagad dyan, since ako naman po yung admin, kung magbabayad outright si Ma'am Karen, or pwede ko pong i-pending muna kung babalik siya, magwi-withdraw muna or something. So, nagkaliwaan kami ni Ma'am Karen, nagbayad siya ng 50% deposit. So, I'll just need to input yung name lang ni Ma'am Karen.
Sir, na ito.
Umagal yung internet ko.
Oo nga eh. Sorry po, we're having some issue with the internet. Medyo buwang.
Yan. So, confirm na kagad yun supposedly. Tama ba?
Inano mo ba yung confirm kanina? I think sa NetCram.
Yeah.
Kasi supposedly, dapat may email din po ulit ng booking confirmation. Even if it's a manual booking done on your end. That's not.
Hindi ma'am. Sa email mo pala yung na-register ko. So, sa email mo siya dapat lalabas. Hindi Ramsel.
So, yeah. Yeah,
So, pwede nyo rin naman pong
Yeah,
i-update
about
dito
the
just to confirm. Ayan.
pending. It's pending.
Based sa business ruling na nakuha po namin, I believe 48 hours.
Kasi yun po yung finalo namin na by then, mag-auto-cancel ba siya?
Yes. Auto-cancel po siya kapag hindi nakapagbayad.
Yeah. But again, we're following your business rules. So if you want to request a
Within
different,
24 hours, pwede
so
naman.
it's totally up to the business owner or the business. The rest.
Tapos, if ever, ma'am and sir, meron kayong mga marketing advertisement or promos, pwede natin makuha or mag-gather lahat ng information ng mga customer natin dito sa manage booking and then sa reports. So, you can get the complete customer information na nagpa-reserve sa inyo.
You're building also a customer data.
Yes, sir. So, exportable siya to CSV
Yeah,
file.
export CSV, you have that option.
Available na po siya.
You can, ano na po, you can change the status, kasi as admin, you can do anything. You can cancel the booking, you can confirm the booking.
Can we test kasi we have some reservation na walang down payment. Meron po siya.
You accept more reservations with
But yun nga lang, medyo risky. We hold the room for
Yes,
like 15 minutes maximum, then we cancel it.
Okay.
Yung ganun, sir, walk-in lang po yun.
No,
Yes.
mga advance bookings
May phone
na walang down payments, and after the reservation date,
Biglang this is.
kaya bibigyan namin ng yung ano namin na 15 minutes grace period, and then kapag wala na,
You give the room na.
release na yung table.
Pwede naman, sir, kasi you have the capability to update manually yung status ng reservation.
You can cancel it.
This record na to, pwede natin hindi pakialaman na kasi magiging basis na natin is yung pwedeng maging basis na natin second option yung whiteboard natin.
Pero ang problem kasi kailangan nakapasok yun sa system eh. Kasi kung di yun naka-reserve dyan, may tendency ma-double booking naman. So, yun lang. Is there an option we can include like a reservation without deposit? Okay nga lang. Pero siya, kung baga yung auto-cancel for like 48 hours and then yun nga lang 15 minutes. Yun yung ano.
So, kumbaga yun yung challenge, no?
No,
It's now. Sige, sir. We'll see what we can do. Sa text.
Tapos naman, it can be, yun nga, wala siyang deposit, no?
Mhm.
Yun nga lang, parang you need to add like a program na 15 minutes will be cancelled for
Parang ma-auto-cancel na siya. O 15 minutes wala pa sila. Only for no down.
and
Sige. Let's see if we can,
and it can be an option for us na we cannot we cannot entertain anymore yung mga phone calls, idadirect na namin sila dun sa site.
sa site, correct.
Para at least minimal yung
Less trabaho for the our staff.
para hindi na phone yung
Actually, yun po yung purpose niya. the pre-booking is really para to lessen na yung manual na kayo yung pang nag-handle ng booking.
Para
Lahat
ma-automate siya.
Saka yung users, matutunan sila na ito na yung gamitin nyo. Mag-book na kayo. Less trabaho for the
We included kasi yung zero deposit kasi siyempre like our owners, our VIPs na pinapa-waive yung deposit natin, although we reserve the room, it happens.
Okay, sir, that's something that we can look into and see what we can do on the, we'll talk with our tech team to see what we can do about that. Kasi yun yung parang pinaka-challenge siya pala na sa mga canceled bookings sa same day.
May question ako pero alam kong baka mahirapan kayo eh. Can the customer order in advance yung mga food item? Yun lang is a complicated thing.
Pwede naman sir, dun sa remarks, pwede niya pong i-note doon.
That's
I
one way.
think
Yes sir, dito po sa customer
iba
view.
kasi
Maybe
what
we
we do here manually,
Oo.
meron silang parang bilin sila na
Che-checkan na lang.
pinipill out ng natin, receptionist, and sinasubmit sa management.
Maybe nagay sa note yun remarks or any advance orders request. Parang gano'n.
Yes,
Ilagay
pwede.
na lang dun sa pinakaan para alam nila they can send the advance orders there sa remarks. Anything else, sir? So I think yun yung mga main concerns no, yung advance orders and then yung sa mga nagka-cancel. Like, so let's see what we can do on so,
If you
yung
can
mga
tweak
features that we
something for that one, it's a good thing at least it can lessen yung mga manual reservation.
Correct, exactly.
Accessibility sa customer na they cannot come to the store and they wanted to reserve.
Correct.
Yung natin,
Yes.
market natin.
Yes. And part of this, sir, is also may kumbaga complementary marketing siya. Kasi kumbaga in a way, we do marketing din also.
So like, for example, sila Jasper may Valentine's activity. Will that flash doon sa site whenever we open para at least we would like to invite you for a Valentine's dinner?
You can edit this part po, the photos or whatever promos you have.
Like,
It's and
marketing
Yeah.
promo for the next quarter, mag-appear dyan.
yeah, you can post it here po. I think it can accommodate 10 photos na maximum. Right?
Yes, pwede.
So you can post everything here. You can make edits to this part as admin.
So when are we planning to have this one live?
The target is around April po yung as in talaga. But this one is testing stage. So as early as the testing stage, you guys can, pag na-list na po kayo, you can start accepting bookings.
So parang testing stage is
And it's
like
free. Yeah.
sa amin lang or customer can avail it already?
For all customers po, we have a
Pwede.
list of customers. So pasabay-sabay po kayong book for listing. So para everyone can try out the platform at the same time. Syempre, we value din yung feedback ng client. So,
Tsaka yun nga sir, yung katulad ng naging feedback nyo kanina, baka if possible, in the future updates, pwedeng yung may every 15 minutes na nagpa-reserve, cancel ka agad if ever hindi talaga
We can still
No,
extend
no.
kasi
Yes,
not
apo.
only for the private rooms, we still have mga hall sa baba.
Correct.
Mga mini tables they wanted to reserve.
Mhm.
Yung sa main dining namin. Kasi we do that one also. We reserve tables.
Per
mm,
tables.
So yeah, siguro this part, we can make edits to this part, no?
Base.
Remarks, like, maybe the advance
Yeah,
orders.
I know if you have like a calendar, parang is that printable just in case
The calendar.
natin kay receptionist na ito yung booking natin for the whole month.
Sa ngayon sir, hindi pa po.
Hindi pa bumabalik
Apo.
yan.
I think yung sa report side, yung you can export lang to
Dito pa lang,
Ito pa lang.
client meeting.
Update ng numbers kaya. Lagay natin.
Sige. So, wala mo na yan.
Punta ng
Oo. Kasi gusto ko, magpuno ka eh.
Komplikado eh.
Tama naman yun, ma'am sir. Pero
Iba kasi yung depende ka na.
Yes, sir.
Sabi ko,
Apo.
tatlong table to. Kabating na 4-4-4.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah,
pwedeng
sir.
pagdikit-dikitin. Apo.
nila.
Yes sir, tama naman po.
Maybe, ano na lang, number of packs, then tayo na bahala ng table.
Ayun, pwede.
Gusto natin yung pulong store mo natin.
Hindi sa mga room, may others doon. Ilang naka-identify at table at least.
Kumbaga dito sa part na to, ma'am, pwede po siya. Yes.
Siguro others.
Ama.
Depende kami na lang ba?
Pwede.
For example, like, you have the table layout already, nagpa-block na yun din sa app, o dyan engage na
Per
ka customer for a particular time frame, kahit ka namin yun, but,
Sige, sir, that's something that we can look into and we can
our
consider.
objective kasi is to maximize
Correct.
seating.
Yes, sir.
Kasi,
I think si Miss Bernard, lalaki.
Sir Bernard. Bernard ba?
Sir,
So is there a button on the app if the customer want to move the time, date, or adjust number of packs?
so yung edit, if they can modify.
Si sa client side, pwede niya lang i-cancel sa client side. Pwede niya lang pong i-cancel. Or dalawang way, pwedeng i-cancel ni customer or pwedeng tawag siya with the branch itself. Manual canceling po mismo ni admin.
they cannot do a
Modify.
rebooking.
Ano yun?
Rebooking.
Rebooking.
Take naman modify like,
Ah,
nag-reserve ako ng 14, gusto ko nang maging 15.
yeah, to modify, yeah. Modify the booking.
Ay, yun na, medyo mahirap yung control measure dyan, baka magkagulo-gulo. Kasi iba-ibahin nila eh.
So for now, sir, the feature that it has is they need to cancel the current booking and either rebook on their own or the admin on their end will have to rebook for the client. So there are two options for that.
So, complicated niya kung may payments na.
Yes.
Okay.
Yung gaming option nila din, is either
So yun,
rebooking ng ibang araw o kung sila same day, pero kung wala nang available sa private rooms, magiging regular table.
Regular table.
Pero yung action kasi, nagagaling sa atin pa rin. So,
So ito, for example, tong scenario na to, sir, Feb 1 ng 9 PM. Yeah, ito yung pinaka-last na booking na ginawa kanina. For example, ito yung move niya ng pero admin side po to Siya lang yung may kaya na mag-move ng ganun. Ito Feb 1 naka-reserve, pwede natin siyang i-move halimbawa ng Feb 8.
So sa admin.
So admin side, si client kailangan cancel.
Cancel lang.
Yes.
Rebook siya.
Apo.
So that's something that we can consider din po na sa client side, they can modify. Baga sa users, para at least let's work then with the answer, the business.
Also, to create less confusion, yung mga walk-in, si admin na namin na magpasok dyan. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Para hindi para yung slot dyan ma-block off na.
Yes. But actually, once you've promoted na kasi the booking platform to your clients or to your guests, hindi na nila kasi yun yung goal. Hindi na mag-book in. Parang
Old school
once
tayong
it's,
customer.
yeah. At saka baka hindi sila nag-online.
Mga tiga-tip.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Yeah, we understand.
Oops.
Pero yeah, they can do,
Nag-out
the admin po can do the manual booking. So ayun, so we'll take note of all the feedback and the requests, the concerns, para for future enhancements of the platform. Kasi again, we're in the testing phase. We want to understand ano yung kailangan talaga ng businesses, di ba, para mas mag-work yung platform for you.
Dun sa side ng sa client sa amin. For example, okay, diba nag-book first si customer, tapos nag-change siya ng mind. So, minasa, magpapapang ba siya nag-change si
Yeah.
customer?
Yes po.
All updates will reflect here.
Tapos may marireceive din siya ma'am na email confirmation, booking has been canceled.
Kumbaga real time na. So kumbaga, yung purpose din niya, kaya may managed bookings is for easier access sa inyo, and for admins, easier visibility, easier management, things like that, instead of manually doing things ganyan.
Bagal.
Yung net. Yung may issue. So any comments, questions?
Sa online, baka may question, Ani.
So, kailan yung practice period and then talagang line tayo on April?
Yeah.
So,
As
like
early
March, we can, February, pwede na.
As early as anytime na po, we can do the listings na. We just need to send po yung the contact para you can see, the terms and conditions of the website and things like that. That's it. And then we can start the listing. So, kasi para sabay-sabay for all our clients. Go ahead. No questions, madam. No questions. Thank you, sir.
So, meron lang ko siyang yung regarding sa rebooking process, pwede ba magkaroon ng parang options na if ever na mag-rebook and then wala nang available that time or that day, parang magkakaroon ng note na parang tatawag sa amin for assistance.
Okay, sige. Parang may prompt lang
Yes,
na.
Pwede naman, sir, kasi sa ngayon, ito po yung nagpo-prompt.
May lumalabas.
Apo. For example, sir, ito, meron tayong time, as you can see, sir, Feb 1, 2026 ng 9 p.m., di ba? So, for example, ako magbubook ulit ng ganong araw at ganong oras. So, ito yung magpo-prompt.
So we can edit this sa gusto nyo makita nila. We can make edits naman dun sa prompt namin. Hindi pa pala natin na-show yun. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Brian, can you... Yes. Brian, can you confirm if nababago naman yung nagpo-prompt na to, di ba? Yung nagpo-prompt na to,
I-edit
Yes,
to. Okay.
yan. So, yung gusto nyong ipalagay, sir, please contact branch or pwede po.
Kasi sa mga rebooking na na dates,
Pwede naman, sir. Thank you, Brian.
So, yeah. You have any concerns, questions, just let us know. Sir Ed can contact me anytime.
This will be like doing the test period naman then we can.
Yeah, correct. At least may additional feedback or
Is there going to be some tech from your side na then on support gano'n?
yeah, we have a tech naman po.
So question online, do you have system downtime?
I think the tech can answer that.
Brian, can you answer yung online question natin? If may possibilities ba na magkaganon tayo? System downtime?
Update.
I think sa mga major deployments, magkakaroon ng mga system downtime. Pero sa mga minor, I think wala naman.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Brian. Bali, sir, if ever magkaroon man ng major deployment with Prime Booking, most likely ginagawa naman po yun ng aming mga tech and developer ng alanganing oras. They make sure na mga naka-close na po yung store or hindi na siya operational bago magkaroon ng mga major deployment or updates with Prime Booking platform. So, if you have no questions, comments, sir, thank you everyone for attending.